Evil Corp's sentient robots are depressed and have asked for a change of scenery. The robots are being sent to an evaluation facility where they will be measured and reassigned to new divisions. 3 of the robots, all from different models, have missing models IDs. Ray is not the newest. Nog is the oldest. Lex is not the oldest. What's the correct order from the newest to the oldest? The robots are being packed into a container for their next evaluation. Which arrangement meets these packaging requirements? Loy is in one of the 2 middle spaces. Mick is left of Lex and right of Ray. Ray is directly next to Mick. At the evaluation facility, the robot races begin to test physical aptitude. The robots accurately self-report the results, but the information has to be pieced together. Marv and Lex do not place next to each other. Ray beats Marv. How did the robots place? In the next race, we have these clues. 1 robot finishes between Ray and Lex. 2 robots finish between Lex and Ty. Ray did not finish second. In what order did they finish? The final race is among 5 robots. Ray finishes faster than Marv. The smallest difference in finishing times was between Ray and Lex, while the largest difference was between Lex and Ty. Mick finishes either first or third. How did the robots place?